18 years old and didn't know a thing. 2 boxes packed, totally clean. Daddy said, boy, you'll see, this place will build the man you'll be. Yeah, grip my hand, said make your name and understand. A good day's work ain't measured by pay. It's who you are at the end of the day. Raise your glass, raise your head, for every mile these trucks have led, for every friend that stood right here, through blood and sweat, through every year. They can lock these old front doors, but they can't take what we stood for. You built this place built you, and that'll always carry through. Some found the love of their life, some found a family for a while, some buried dad, some raised their sons, some watched 2 generations turn to one. Time rode on like another shift, every handshake was another gift. You don't know you made a home till somebody says it's time to go. These walls remember every name, every laugh, every scar, every flame. When the lights go dark at night, the stories keep on shining bright. Raise your glass, raise it high. Ain't no shame in a grown man's eyes. We built more than trucks inside. We built a life, we built our pride. And when that whistle blows its last time, I won't leave these memories behind. No, I'll carry 'em home.